Meaning of Johns Hopkins University.
Johns Hopkins University.
Johns Hopkins University.
Johns Hopkins University.
Johns Hopkins University. Johns Hopkins University is a private research university located in Baltimore, Maryland, United States. It was founded in 1876 and named after its benefactor, Johns Hopkins, who was an entrepreneur and philanthropist. The university is known for its strong programs in the fields of medicine, public health, international relations, engineering, and the social sciences. It is also home to the Applied Physics Laboratory, which is a major center for research in defense and space science. Overall, Johns Hopkins University is one of the most highly regarded universities in the world and has a strong reputation for academic excellence and research.